Tesla Cybertruck Space Campers. Tesla Cybertruck itself is not designed for camping, but due to its popularity and unique design, aftermarket companies have created camper solutions specifically for the Cybertruck. One such company is Space Campers, which designed a wedge-shaped camper that integrates seamlessly with the Cybertruck's bed. Here are some features of the Space Campers camper for the Tesla Cybertruck. Aerodynamic wedge design. This design helps to minimize wind resistance and improve the Cybertruck's overall efficiency. Electric actuators. The camper uses electric actuators to open and close, powered by the Cybertruck's battery. Murphy-style bed. This space-saving bed folds up when not in use, creating up to 8 feet of standing room. Modular components. The camper can be customized with a variety of modular components, such as a camp kitchen, bathroom, shower, and rack accessories. Incognito mode. The camper can be closed while still allowing for sleeping comfortably inside. Theater mode. An optional projector accessory kit can be used to create a movie theater experience inside the camper. The Space Campers camper is still under development, but the company is planning to begin production in 2024. With its innovative features and design, the Space Campers camper is sure to appeal to Tesla Cybertruck owners who want to take their truck camping. Vanlife Exklusiv refers to the concept car, Vision Venture, by HYMER. It's a futuristic take on vanlife that incorporates innovative design, self-sufficiency, and lightweight construction. Vision Venture was developed collaboratively with BASF and features a Mercedes-Benz chassis. It won the European Innovation Award in 2020 for its interior design, exterior design, and popularity among bloggers. Some of the innovative features of Vision Venture include 3D printed parts, infrared reflective paint, a roof and rear patio with a barbecue, a pneumatic pop-up roof. The Vision Venture concept car provides a glimpse into what modern travel could look like in the future. It's a luxurious and eco-friendly option for those who want to experience the freedom of the open road without sacrificing comfort or style. The VARIO Signature 120 is not just a motorhome. It's a luxurious living space on wheels built on a powerful Mercedes-Benz Actros chassis. Unlike many RVs, the Signature 120 is completely customizable, meaning you can design the layout, finishes, and features to perfectly suit your needs and desires. Some of the key features of the VARIO Signature 120 include striking and sleek design. The Signature 120 has a modern, aerodynamic design that makes it look more like a high-end yacht than a traditional RV. A spacious interior with 4 slide-outs that create a generous amount of living space. This includes a master bedroom, a large bathroom, a kitchen, a lounge area, and even a workspace. High-quality materials, such as leather and wood, are used throughout the interior to create a luxurious feel. Advanced technology, such as an adjustable Mercedes-Benz chassis that leans into curves for a smoother ride, pneumatic suspension, and 5 integrated wireless charging stations. The driver's cab offers all the comforts and special features of a luxury car, with an integrated rearview camera, active distance assist, emergency brake assist, cruise control, and the dynamic Mercedes-Benz truck navigation system. The STX Eila Edition One is a truly luxurious motorhome that is perfect for those who want to travel in style. If you are looking for the ultimate in comfort and convenience, the STX Eila Edition One is the perfect choice for you. The Furrion Elysium is a concept RV, unveiled in 2017, that is not currently in production. This luxury motorhome is designed to be the ultimate in comfort and convenience, with features that include a retractable helipad, a hot tub, and multiple TVs. Here are some of the other features of the Furrion Elysium. Slide-out sections that expand the interior space. 2 massive 4K TVs on the exterior that can be used as a cinema. A lounge area with a fireplace. A luxurious sofa. A smart toilet. A steam room. While the Furrion Elysium is not yet available for purchase, it is a glimpse into the future of RVing. With its luxurious amenities and innovative features, the Furrion Elysium is sure to turn heads wherever it goes. Here are some estimates on how much a Furrion Elysium would cost. $2.2 million. Source: $2.5 million. Source: since this is a concept vehicle, the exact price is unknown. Anderson Mobile Estates is a company that builds custom-designed luxury trailers and RVs. They are known for their extravagant designs and high-profile clientele. One of their most famous creations is The Heat, a two-story motorhome that was built for actor Will Smith. The Heat is reportedly worth around $2.5 million and features a number of luxurious amenities, including a home theater, a spa bathroom, and a full kitchen. It also has a hydraulic roof that lifts up to create more space. The Heat was used by Smith on the set of several films, including Ali, Men in Black 3, and The Pursuit of Happiness. Smith is no longer the owner of the Heat, but it is still considered one of the most luxurious RVs ever built. Although details about the interior are not publicly available, EF Procycling Truck is a vital part of their racing operation. It's essentially a mobile workshop and home away from home for the team's mechanics and riders. The truck is packed with everything the team needs to keep their bikes in top shape, from spare parts and tools to cleaning supplies and a generator. It also has a climate-controlled workspace so the mechanics can work on the bikes in any weather condition. Here are some of the key features of an EF Procycling Truck. Storage space for up to 58 bikes and 150 wheels. Workstations with tools and supplies. Cleaning station with power washer and degreasers. Kitchen with refrigerator, microwave, and sink. Laundry facilities. The truck is a lifeline for the EF Procycling team, and it plays a crucial role in their success. Without it, the team would not be able to keep their bikes in top condition or provide their riders with the support they need to compete at the highest level. The Ecocapsule is an egg-shaped, mobile tiny home designed for off-grid living. It utilizes solar and wind energy to provide power and features a rainwater collection system for water. Developed by Nice Architects, a firm based in Bratislava, Slovakia, the Ecocapsule is described as a low-energy house packed into a compact form. The egg shape minimizes its surface area to volume ratio, which helps to reduce heat loss and energy consumption. The walls are made of 2 layers of fiberglass with polyurethane foam sandwiched in between, providing insulation and durability. Here are some of the features of the Ecocapsule. Solar and wind-powered. The Ecocapsule's roof is covered in solar panels, and it also has a wind turbine to generate electricity. Rainwater collection system. The Ecocapsule collects rainwater in a built-in tank, which can then be used for drinking, showering, and other purposes. Wastewater treatment system. The Ecocapsule has a built-in wastewater treatment system that purifies gray water for reuse. Compact living space. The Ecocapsule has a small footprint, but it is designed to be comfortable and functional for 1 or 2 people. Mobile. The Ecocapsule can be towed by a car or truck, making it easy to move to different locations. The Ecocapsule is a unique concept that offers a sustainable way to live off the grid. However, it is also a relatively expensive product, and it is not yet widely available. The Marathon Coach 1363 is a 2024 H3-45 double-slide luxury motorhome that is filled with features hand-chosen by its owners. It is a masterpiece of design and engineering, featuring a stunning exterior and an even more impressive interior. The exterior of the Coach 1363 is textured with dark neutral shades and a hint of blue. This color scheme pops against any backdrop, and the crisp lines of the design draw the eye across the coach. The interior is bright and airy, with gently contrasting tones of white, brown, and black. Soft accent lighting and illuminated panels ensure that every corner of the coach is well lit. The Coach 1363 is packed with high-end amenities, including a fireplace, an expansive pantry, a large refrigerator, a dishwasher, a stove, a wine cooler, rough-cut tile backsplashes, a roomy shower with a special sliding door, 2 substantial closets in the bedroom, 5 televisions, including one outside. The Coach 1363 is also equipped with a Crestron audio system with surround sound, a Girard automatic awning package with fairings, a 20 kilowatts Kohler generator with autogen, and Marathon Coach's patented Freedom Plus sewer system and TechLink electrical system.
「 Exklusiv. 」 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 Exklusiv.
「 The STX Eila Edition One is a premium motorhome designed for those who want to experience the ultimate in luxury and comfort on the road. It is a collaboration between STX Motorhomes and Eila, a hospitality rental park company, a spacious interior with 4 slide-outs that create a generous amount of living space. This includes a master bedroom, a large bathroom, a kitchen, a lounge area, and even a workspace. High-quality materials, such as leather and wood, are used throughout the interior to create a luxurious feel. Advanced technology, such as an adjustable Mercedes-Benz chassis that leans into curves for a smoother ride, pneumatic suspension, and 5 integrated wireless charging stations. The driver's cab offers all the comforts and special features of a luxury car, with an integrated rearview camera, active distance assist, emergency brake assist, cruise control, and the dynamic Mercedes-Benz truck navigation system. The STX Eila Edition One is a truly luxurious motorhome that is perfect for those who want to travel in style. If you are looking for the ultimate in comfort and convenience, the STX Eila Edition One is the perfect choice for you. Dembell Motorhomes are high-end motorhomes designed for those who want the comfort and luxury of a yacht on land. Their motorhomes are known for their sleek, futuristic design, spacious interiors, and innovative features. Dembell Motorhomes are built on a Mercedes-Benz Actros Gigaspace chassis and are powered by a 530 horsepower engine. They come in 3 models, each with its own unique features. The smallest model has a garage that can fit a small car, while the largest model has a garage that can fit a large SUV or even a small car and a motorcycle. All Dembell Motorhomes come with a variety of high-end amenities, including a gourmet kitchen, a luxurious bathroom, and a spacious living area. They also come with the latest technology, such as a state-of-the-art entertainment system and a GPS navigation system. Concept Tesla semi-truck motorhome on the market, or a 3D animation by Tesla themselves, the concept is certainly intriguing. Here's how we can imagine what a 3D animation of the interior might showcase. Spacious living area. The animation could open with a wide shot revealing a surprisingly large living area. The traditional semi-trailer section would be transformed into a comfortable lounge with ample space to move around. Large windows along the sides would provide panoramic views and natural light. Smart design and functionality. The animation could showcase the transformation of the space. Seats might swivel or fold flat to sustainable touches. The animation could highlight the use of eco-friendly materials throughout the interior. Large skylights or solar panels on the roof could be used to generate additional power. Kitchen and bathroom. A hidden bathroom with a shower and toilet could be revealed, showcasing clever space-saving features. Tech integration. The animation could display a large touchscreen controlling various features of the motorhome, including lighting, climate control, entertainment systems, and even monitoring the Tesla Semi's battery levels. Overall ambience. The animation style could be sleek and modern, reflecting Tesla's design philosophy. Lighting could be warm and inviting, creating a comfortable atmosphere.